Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Plum Guide host account to list your luxury vacation rental, follow these detailed steps to complete the verification process successfully. Step 1. Visit the Plum Guide website and navigate to the host or property owner section. Click on List Your Property to begin. Step 2. Create an account by providing your email address, setting a password, and entering basic information about yourself and your property. Step 3. After registration, Plum Guide will send a verification email to your registered email address. Check your inbox for this message. Step 4. Open the verification email and click on the confirmation link to verify your email address. Step 5. Log in to your Plum Guide host account and complete your profile by providing detailed information about your property, including location, amenities, and photos. Step 6. Upload high-quality photos of your property. Plum Guide has strict quality standards, so ensure your images showcase your property professionally. Step 7. Provide verification documents such as proof of property ownership or a rental agreement to confirm you have the right to list the property. Step 8. Verify your identity by uploading a government-issued photo ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Step 9. Complete any additional verification steps required by Plum Guide, which may include a phone call or video interview to assess your property. Step 10. Wait for Plum Guide to review your application. The review process is thorough and selective, as they only accept properties that meet their high standards. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.